pushing you away while I want you to stay. Amazing cold as ice, and my heart still beats you. And I say no, it's yes. I want you to the depths. You handle me. Do you have a key? Something that I can see.
Hi guys, it's Yashita and welcome back to my channel. So as you can probably see by the title and the thumbnail of this video, this is gonna be my birthday vlog. Today is my birthday actually. I am not yet sure that whether I would upload this on my YouTube channel or not, but if you're watching this, that means that we made it to YouTube. So yeah, currently it is actually 3 PM. मैं काफी late vlog start कर रही हूँ because सुबह से इतना time नहीं मिला मुझे vlog start करने. I'll quickly give you guys a little recap क्या क्या किया आज मैंने पूरे दिन. First of all, as you can see पीछे आपको डेकोरेशंस दिख रही होंगी. I'm gonna give you a better view, a better look. So yeah, सुबह सुबह my mom surprised me with all the decoration. मैंने बुलाया था decoration वालों को and they decorated my entire room and also my living room. Actually, I had already asked my mom to do this कि मुझे decoration चाहिए. This turned out better than my expectations. It looks so cute. जैसा मैं चाहती थी वैसा ही हुआ एंड या इट लुक्स लवली. और उसके बाद मैं मंदिर गई थी मम्मा के साथ, विच आई ऑलवेज डू एवरी ईयर. सो वी वेंट टू साईं मंदिर, देन वी केम बैक. फिर मैंने दादी और मम्मा के साथ लंच करा घर पे. अब फाइनली मैं तैयार होंगी. सो द प्लान फॉर टुडे इज दैट ऑल ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स आर गोना कम एट माई होम. तो घर पे ही पार्टी है एंड वी गोना चिल हियर. आई एम गोना कीप यू गाइज अपडेटेड. होपफुली आई डोंट फॉरगेट टू व्लॉग. ओके, सो बिफोर आई गेट रेडी आई फॉरगॉट टू शो यू द रूम. लेट मी शो यू. So this is how it looks. It looks so pretty. I love it. Everything is pink and white as I like it.
I need my king. You better not to sin. I think so, I think so. I think so, I think so. Okay, let me just be honest with you. I want you, want you, want you. And okay, I've been running circles all the time, but I want you, want you.
Also, my mom surprised me with this bouquet. I mean, how cute is this? It has white and pink roses. Anybody who knows me knows that I love roses and I love these colors. So this is my aesthetic. This is everything. I love it. I love everything. Makeup, I really don't do a lot of things. I'm just gonna do a little bit of base जिसमें मैं बस foundation और concealer use करूँगी. Then I'm gonna highlight my eyebrows, wear some mascara and some lipstick, and I think that's it. That's it for my makeup. It's a bodycon off-shoulder, sort of a cute kind of a dress. So guys, finally I'm all ready और अभी हमने थोड़ी फोटो शूट करी रूम में, which I'm gonna insert right here. I'm gonna upload this on my Instagram. और अब मेरे सारे दोस्त आने वाले होंगे and mom is also ready. So we are gonna click some pictures together and I'm also gonna show you my living room. उसको भी decorate करा है mom ने. So let's go.
सब आ जाओ। ओए ओ तेरा हैप्पी बर्थडे, तेरा हैप्पी बर्थडे, तेरा हैप्पी बर्थडे। Happy birthday. Happy birthday. मेरे भाई का बर्थडे है, मेरे भाई का। Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
अच्छा कीजिए बहुत
Happy birthday!
So guys, it is the next day. Yesterday I had a lot of fun. इतने मज़े किए हमने बहुत ज़्यादा डांस किया, खाया पिया, मस्ती करी, and I just forgot to pick up my phone and vlog because I was having too much fun. And I think probably you can tell it by my voice. I've lost my voice. It is better now. पर सुबह तो मेरी आवाज़ ही नहीं निकल रही थी क्योंकि मैं इतना चिल्ला रही थी कल. But it was really fun, and thank you everyone for all your lovely wishes. I really appreciate it. I did not have enough footage for my vlog, so I thought that I should do a little gift opening session. So I have all these gifts around me which I'm going to show you guys. So to be honest, I've seen all these gifts. I know isme kya kya hai, but I'm going to show you guys and let's just pretend that I haven't seen it. So let's start with this Forever 21 bag. Now this one is from my mom and ये मैंने उनके साथ ही जाके लिया था. So first thing here is this really cute skirt in this really pretty mint color. And मेरे पास ऐसा कुछ नहीं था इस कलर में. I got this. This is really cute. I love it. Next thing here is this handbag. Now again मेरे पास कोई भी white color का handbag नहीं था, so I got this one. It is so cute, it is so chic. ये बहुत सारी outfits के साथ जाएगा, so I got this one. Next thing here is this little pouch. Now my neighbor gifted me this and I'm so thankful. इसके अंदर भी उन्होंने बहुत cute चीज़ें डाली है. First thing in here is this really cute hair band. It is in a very pastel pinkish mauvish color. Next thing inside this are these set of rubber bands. ये telephonic wire वाली rubber bands. ये भी मुझे काफ़ी टाइम से चाहिए था and I got this, so I'm really happy. Okay, so the next thing here are these set of clips. इसको मैंने birthday के दिन भी लगाया था. They're really chic and they're really trendy right now. So yeah, they're so pretty. I love it. Okay, so the next thing here is this really pretty box. It says love and all these the color palette of this box is my aesthetic. This one is from Vrinda. If you have watched my Mumbai vlog, then you know her. Let me show you guys what all I have inside this. The first thing here is this really cute plushies. Now I love plushies and I mean look at this. How cute is this? Oh my god, this is so cute. Next thing here is this pocket perfume which is for Leo. The next thing here is this head wrap and I'm gonna use this every time I put a face mask or sheet mask. So soft and so cute. Okay, so the next thing here is this mouth mask, again in a really pretty pastel pink color. All my friends know that I'm obsessed with pink and yeah, I've got this mouth mask. And the last thing here is this really pretty choker necklace. मैंने जैसे ही देखा था I bought this with my birthday dress, तो इसलिए ये packaging से निकला हुआ है. So the next thing here I have this huge ass box. Now this one is from Mansi. If you have watched my Horn Okay Please vlog, then you know her. And I mean, she has put in so much effort in this gift. I love it. I mean, I don't deserve this much love, okay? On top of this, she has put this card which says, "You are the Monica to my Rachel." I'm a big Friends fan, so I mean, how cute is this? Now when I open this, then I see really pretty confetti inside. So the first thing that I see here is this really cute plant. It's a fake plant of course, but how cute it looks. I mean, I really love home decor stuff. It is pastel. It is so cute. I mean, look at this really cute sack. It is so cute. Next thing in here is this bottle. Again, really cute. Next thing in here is this really pretty diary. It says create your own dreams, and I mean, it has a unicorn. I love it. Along with the diary, we have a pen here. How cute it is. Just cute little stuff inside this box, which makes me so happy. Then we have a set of colored tapes. I'm a big time stationery lover, guys, so just see how much effort she has put inside this box, guys. Then we have this gold necklace, which again has rose. Now see, everyone knows that I love roses. Next we have some earrings. Really chic. Okay, so then we have this wall hanging sort of a frame, which I'm gonna use in my room somewhere because it's white. It'll go with my aesthetic. Then we have another gift. So yeah, अभी तक gifts चल ही रहे हैं, ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है इसमें. So this is a pouch set and it has 3 pouches inside. So the first one is this transparent one. Then we have this one and then a little pouch inside this. So, and it's pink. Finally, we have this. So this is a pastel pink fanny pack, and I mean, let me show you guys. Can you see it? Can you see it? So lastly, coming to the final gift, and it is very visible. This really cute cuddly bear. So this huge ass teddy. Let me show you guys how big it is compared to me. I mean, just, oh my god, it is so cute. Freaking 6 feet tall and much heavier than me. Trust me, मुझसे ये उठ नहीं रहा था. Thank you Karmanya, Anushka, Divya and Pallavi for this really cute gift, and I love it so much. And I wish किसी ने मेरा reaction record किया होता जब वो लोग ये लेके आ रहे थे. I was just like, I did not expect this. I mean, not at all. मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था कि I'll get this. Guys, I've named this guy Bobo. I really like the name Bobo. If you have a better name suggestion, let me know in the comment section. But I think I love Bobo. He feels like a Bobo. He's so, like, see his head compared to mine. This guy is so big and I love it. Before I end this, thank you everyone for making my day so special. I don't deserve this. All my friends watching this, I'm gonna make you guys watch this. I'm gonna send you the link, so you will have to watch this video. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you guys for making my day so special. Thank you for all these gifts. I don't deserve it. I mean, I'm gonna end this video right here with Bobo. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell button. And yeah, I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.